What is up, folks? Today we're making the Jungle Bird. This is one of those tiki cocktails that you can pretty much order at any cocktail bar. And it's also a bartender's favorite. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe for more drinks and memories. Let's get behind the stick. The Jungle Bird was created at a bar called Aviary. Not to be confused with the Aviary in Chicago. This was created by Jeffrey Ong, the beverage manager at the time of the KL Hilton in Malaysia. His drink was picked out of 6 other drinks based on creative creation. The drink was picked to be the welcome drink of the hotel ever since it opened its doors back in 1973. Imagine being greeted at a hotel with a Jungle Bird. Now that's what I call hospitality right there. The Aviary had a glass panel where the guests could see birds that were in a netted area nearby the pool. The Jungle Bird was named to commemorate the birds of the bar. Don't worry, the birds were eventually freed and the hotel was demolished back in 2013. But the Jungle Bird lives on. The original recipe actually calls for Jamaican rum, but people make this drink with different styles of rums. I do think that Jamaican rum makes the best version of this drink. But don't just take my word on it. Let's make it, shall we? Let's build this drink in a shaker. First, add half an ounce or 15 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then add half an ounce or 15 ml of simple syrup. Next up, the Campari. This is the unique part of this drink. It'll make this drink bright, beautiful red and also add complex bitter notes to the drink. Pour 3/4 ounce or 22.5 ml. Now, pineapple juice is very important in this cocktail. I highly recommend using fresh pineapple juice, but if you can't get fresh pineapple juice, you'll still be able to make a great drink. Pour 1.5 ounces or 45 ml. As for the rum, I highly recommend using any Jamaican pot still rum. Hamilton Pot Still Black is an excellent choice for this. I love the funky ripe banana finish from this rum. Works perfectly in tropical drinks. However, this is not the only Jamaican rum out there, you know? Pour 1.5 ounces or 45 ml. Once we got all the ingredients in the shaker, we're gonna shake this with 1 large ice cube. I do this in order to achieve a similar aeration as you would with a blender. Traditionally, most tiki drinks were combined by doing what's called a flash blend.
The nice thing about a flash blend is that it gives it aeration like you would not get anywhere else.
Those things are great, but I don't have one. And shaking with 1 large ice cube will do pretty good, as long as you shake hard enough and long enough. Before you shake though, fill your glass 3/4 of the way with crushed ice. And now, shake. And keep shaking. Shake some more. A bit more. You're almost done. And once done shaking, strain it over your glass. Add a straw, then top it off with some more crushed ice. We're going in for the garnish on this one. First, a nice beautiful orchid, and then a pineapple slice skewered with pineapple fronds and a cherry. This garnish is supposed to represent a bird. I think it's cute. And there we have the Jungle Bird. Because of the technique we used here, it takes about a minute for the drink to settle. But once it does, you can see the beautiful frothy pineapple with the bright red hue. But does it taste as good as it looks? Let's find out. Oh my god, yeah. That's amazing. You get a bit of that tropical sweet pineapple, which also adds a really nice texture to the drink that is complemented with the star of the show, the rum and the bitter Campari. If you don't love Campari, I still encourage you to give this drink a try. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoy this boozy content, hit a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next memoir. The jungle bird was named to commemorate those. The jungle bird was named to commemorate.
Commemorate.